there's a crit here. It's a pretty famous road in the cycling world, like the Manioc Wall and all that. So you can't be in Burlington, Iowa, and not at least go up it once, or 3 times. But it's a great hill. It's a classic challenge, and it's just short enough to make it hurt. So it's always fun. This year we brought a team from ProjectHero.org. We work with veterans, getting them out on bikes and overcoming their injuries. So we have a lot of really, really serious rides that we do with them, and RAGBRAI is the kind of thing where we can kind of let them turn loose and be themselves a little bit more, help break down those emotional walls and really get some true therapy while in this environment, work on the camaraderie and things like that. It's just a different style of ride, and I think the vets really appreciate it. The biggest thing is, if you want to make it easy on yourself, it's holding your momentum through the first 3 turns and entering the mouth of the snake the right way, and you kind of want to be really close to the right side and sort of ignore the first turn by kind of going straight through it, and then kind of wide through the next 2, and then you just got to hold on and fight from there to the top.